Thanks for joining me and welcome to my channel. You can kind of consider this the second installment of a three-part series. So last time I reviewed the beautiful Outre Swirlista number 104. Today we're going to do another one in the series, and I'm really looking forward to sharing her with you. Introduced to these Swirlista wigs through a Facebook page that I belong to called Wig Slayers, and I cannot sing the praises enough of them. I've been a member of Wig Slayers for years now. This is a group for women of all ages, all walks of life, women who love, wear, adore wigs. I have the link in the description box, so I really encourage you to just check them out, and I would really encourage you to join. I think you will love the support and the education and the wonderful offers that come through the association with this group. The group's leader is Nicole Sanders, and again, I can't sing the praises enough of this lady. She has made this more than just a Facebook page. It is indeed a movement. And when you are on the site and you get to see how she does things, how she wheels and deals and creates wonderful opportunities for so many, trust me, you're going to want to join this group. You're going to want to join. But there is a wonderful association with Wig Slayers and Waba Hair and Beauty Supply, and I will likewise have their link in the description box. And this is a wonderful site for so many brands of wigs, so much that you want for beautiful hair and more. And Waba comes out with some great deals, guys. And usually it's the Wig Slayers who are the first to know. So this beautiful association is how I became familiar with the Outre Swirlista line. Now, this will not be the last time you hear about Waba Hair and Beauty Supply. I will be doing some more with some products I've acquired through them, and also introduce you hopefully to their mystery boxes, as I had the pleasure of participating in one of those, and I'd love to show you what I received. So guys, stay in touch with my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Would really love for you to join me on this journey. Okay guys, let's get into business. So today we are going to review another one of the Swirlista wigs, and today we are going to look at Swirlista 102. Look at those gorgeous waves, guys, and she is a long one, so delicate but yet so dramatic at the same time. If this is your first time seeing one of my reviews of the Swirlista wigs, let me just quickly associate you with the Swirlista Melted Hairline series. Now, with this line of wigs, they are made to melt even better, so the lace performs even better. Can you imagine? And there's more lace for you to really finesse and swirl your baby hairs your way. Getting a pre-plucked hairline, precision plucked hairline. You're getting a supernatural shape and density, and 5-inch deep C shaped parting. She has the pre-attached white elastic band for glueless installs, and she has a redesigned comfort fit ear contour and the soft HD transparent lace. Now I want to show you what they mean by giving you more space to finesse your baby hairs. And besides the basic shades, these are the beautiful special colors. I reviewed Swirlista 104 in 1B, and I was so pleased with that. I'm going to put the link to that video down in the description box. Please take some time out to see that so you can get even more acquainted with the line. I was really pleased with how that one turned out. But These last two Swirlista wigs that I purchased are longer, and I became adventurous and decided to go into some fashion colors. Now, Swirlista 102 is 28 inches. And as I said before, the box is like everything. And when you open this guy up, you get this beautifully wrapped unit. I love good sturdy boxes like this. Great for organizing. And don't forget, Pretty Girl Swirl. So we picked her up in spiced cognac. And she just keeps going and going and going because she's 28 inches. And there are these baby hairs. I want you to look at that part. Look at that HD lace. Look at those baby hairs. And it's plucked so beautifully. If you want to push these baby hairs back and just have that clean edge, or if you just want to do the do, you just got plenty of room to do it. And this color is too much. So I have learned that I cannot swirl a baby hair for my life. So my apologies to you. We did what we always do. We just did some really faint, very delicate, and I think more realistic looking fringe right along here. But again, the construction of these Swirlista wigs is such to where if you want to do the really flamboyant, beautiful things, you got it, because it really does accommodate that. But guys, I noticed with this one and with the 104, the cap on this feels fantastic. My head measures a 23 and it is so comfortable. I cannot get over how comfy it is. So Swirlista, hold on, this one here, she is really got a very nice length to her. I adore the length. I love the soft, gentle waves on here. I think this would be beautiful for summer. I love this. And we're not going to talk about the color. The color is stunning. I just adore this beautiful wine-colored red. Just beautiful. So if I may I encourage you to go to the description box. I want you to hit that link for Wig Slayers on Facebook and really join the community. I think you will really enjoy this wonderful, supportive group of women. Also, there'll be a link for Waba Hair and Beauty Supply. Check them out, guys. Absolutely wonderful things going on there. Great sales, great selection. I also want to encourage you to please, if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much to those who have. And guys, I hope you're feeling Swirlista as much as I am. She is so gorgeous. So we have one more in the line of, well, one more that I purchased. I think there are plenty of other styles. Again, check out Swirlista and see if you can find a style that suits you. I encourage you to also hit the link in the description box for the review on 102. She's more of a mid-length and she's in a 1B, but she is darling, and I think you'll really enjoy her too. Stick around with me. We've got one more to do in this series, and I can't wait to share her with you. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. Please count your blessings. We all have so much to be thankful for, guys. Take care, and we'll see you next time.